We're here today to talk about improving the process for administering prescription medication for patients who rely on feeding tubes. The first problem is that administering medications over a feeding tube is a really time-consuming and complex process. And nurses right now are spending several hours every day just crushing, diluting, and administering pills. Spending so much time on just handling medication is leading to fewer meaningful interactions between nurses and their patients, such as pre-discharge education before they leave the hospital. This problem also exists within the home environment with patients and their caretakers who are going through this process on their own, where they're not only spending hours out of their own day going through it, but they're running into a lot more user error that leads to things like tube clogging and are drastically more likely to get readmitted to the hospital within the month. Our solution targets solving both for time and complexity by automating the process of crushing, mixing, and administering prescription medications directly into the feeding tube. There's currently nothing automated that exists in the market, with nurses as well as caretakers relying on more manual solutions, such as the two shown here. With 500,000 people who currently rely on feeding tubes in the US, we see our ideal beachhead market as focusing on the hospital setting, leveraging our current connections at the University of Pennsylvania Hospital to then expand into the Pennsylvania area. We aim to use a value-based pricing strategy for our revenue model, pricing our product based on how long it would take for hospitals to start saving time and resources with our product, using information such as nurses' average earnings per hour, the number of nurses who have patients on feeding tubes, and how much time they are spending with these patients. Our team of 4 brings a really wide range of experience within the design and engineering space, with backgrounds ranging from industrial design to design research to mechanical engineering, along with some recent professional experience in the medical innovation world. And at this stage, we are really looking to acquire some strategic partners to see what it would look like to bring a medical device to the market. We really want to explore elements like FDA approval and IP, and are excited to take the next step. After having the opportunity to do some user testing alongside nurses in the hospital setting with our early stage model, we're really excited to be now working on a more robust works-like prototype, moving on to conducting some larger scale testing within the PenMed system, and really just proving out the efficiency and reliability of our device. We are so excited about the potential opportunity to partner with Prototypes for Humanity and see so much value in what we can learn from the entrepreneurship training portion of the program, as well as from the strategic partnerships that can be made along the way as we work to further develop our venture.